God gave his creation to humanity to utilize as it will. And humanity, being a creative force in the world, finds ways and means of utilizing these plants and other things for their benefit. If these things are utilized in an environment that is safe and guided and protected, and done so in a moderate way, there can be benefits. Unfortunately, many who are engaged in these things are not so spiritually attuned or adept or progressed that they may guide and protect the individual in question. So there can be great harm and there can be great danger